How are you feeling? Better?
Kailangan ko makausap si Sir Robert. Gusto kong mag-sorry sa kanya.
That's not necessary.
Kung hindi kasi ako nagpatulong kay Troy na magpa-imbestiga, hindi
It
nila
was
malalaman
Troy's
tungkol sa...
choice to pursue this story. At kahit tapos na siyang tulungan ka, it was his choice to bribe the host. His choice, not yours. So wala kang kasalanan, okay? And besides, we explained everything to the Park family at naintindihan nila. So, no damage done.
Sigurado ka ba?
Yeah. And the only time na pupuntahan natin ang parents ko is kapag pinahalala na kitang girlfriend ko.